Hello, good afternoon all of you. I'm Shekhar Sharma again with you for class 8 computer, chapter 7 inserting objects in HTML. So let's start. Inserting image in HTML. Web browsers support various types of graphics format such as JPEG, Joint Photographic Export Group, PNG, Portable and Network Graphics, GIF, Graphics Interchange Format, and TIFF, Tagged Image File Format. The IMG tag is used to define images. It does not have a closing tag and thus it is an empty tag. There are some attributes associated with this tag. Number 1, SRC specifies the location or URL of the image. Syntax: image src img src equal URL in double quotes, where URL is the path of the image. Height specifies the height of the image. Syntax: img src equal URL in double quotes, now height colon value, where value is in pixels. Width specifies the width of the image. Syntax: img src equal URL in double quotes, width colon value, where value is in pixels. ALT specifies alternate text for an image. Syntax: img src URL in double quotes, ALT equal text in double quotes. The alt attribute is useful when the image is not displayed on the browser due to some reasons, maybe because of incorrect URL of the image or slow internet connection. The text value is then displayed in place of the image. You can provide some useful description of the image. Now, linking web pages. A hypertext or just a hyperlink or just a link can be an image or text in a document that takes you to a new file or a new object. Similarly, in HTML, the hyperlink can take you to another web page or a different section of the same page. The www World Wide Web is the linking of trillions of pages and files to one another through hyperlinks. There are three kinds of links. Local, a link to another page on the same website. Internet, a link to a section on the current page. Global, a link to a page on another website. Now, anchor tag. In HTML, the anchor tag or a tag is used to create a link. It is a container tag. Anything between the start tag a and the end tag /a gives a hyperlink. The href hypertext reference attribute is used along with the anchor tag to specify the destination address of the document to which the link will take you. The syntax of anchor tag is as follows: a space href equal URL in double quotes, this is a link, and /a. To create a local link, use the relative address of the web page, that is without http :/www. To create a global link, use the absolute address, that is the complete address of the web page. Thank you. Have a nice day.